Not even 100-foot drop can spring its seeds from their rock-hard shell. Only a safecracker could bust into this strongbox. The light-fingered agouti. This toothy rodent is the only creature with the right tools to jimmy open the case. And when it comes to the nuts inside, he's just gotta have 'em all. If there's any leftovers, he stashes them in little caches throughout the forest, so he can enjoy them later. But this forest filcher has so many hidden away, he can't possibly remember where they all are. And it's his lost seeds that the Brazil nut has been counting on. Placing her precious legacy in the hands of such a motley crew might seem reckless. But that's the wonder of nature's network. These fantastical collaborations really do work. And they're so reliable that every single Brazil nut is created in this extraordinary way.